In this video, we're going to talk about the hob, oven and grill fitted to your 𝗚𝗍𝘃 caravan or motorhome. And now we're going to start with the hob. Make sure the covers are up. And if you're using any gas appliances, such as the 3 gas burners, the grill or the oven, you will need to make sure that the gas is turned on in the external locker, and it's also turned on at the manifold, which is normally found in the lower part of the kitchen. So hob-wise, let's start with the gas ring. All you do to ignite it, push it in, turn it to the maximum setting, hold it in, and press the igniter. Keep it held in because there is a flame failure device on there, but once it's warmed up, let the knob go and put your saucepan on top. Just make sure that your kettle or your saucepan is nice and secure and it's not going to fall off. But if you're using the electric hot plate instead, all you do is you simply turn the knob to whichever setting you like. On this one it's 1 to 6. Then you put your kettle or saucepan on that. It's as simple as that. Right, next we're going to move on to the grill. Very simple this, same as before. So we open the grill, we go for the grill button, turn it to maximum, hold it in, press the igniter. Again, keep it held in for that flame failure device. And that's it. Your grill is good to go. Right, so moving on to the oven, again, very similar principle. Open the door, press the button in, select the temperature you want, so we'll go for 200. Press the igniter, hold it in for that flame failure device. It's lit, shut the door, and that's the oven. So when you're using your hob, oven and grill, always make sure you have enough ventilation, and before you travel, just make sure everything is off here, and also turn off the gas on your cylinder. And before you travel, always make sure to allow plenty of time to allow the hob to cool before you put the covers down.